Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamini's on Monday, Sibongile learns that her dream of completing her studies is in danger. Mavis wants Peteni to remember who she is. Pagamani and Gina skate on thin ice. On Tuesday, Vuma attempts to put his family back into his place, but it is a fragile effort with Samke pulling him to one side and his kids to the other. Sibongile grieves the betrayal of a friend in her perilous academic position. On Wednesday, Sibongile writes a heartfelt letter stating her case of why she should not be expelled from varsity. Samke tells Vuma that she is feeling like a third wheel in her own marriage because of their kids. So thank you guys for watching.